Hockey 605. We're here with Lyndsey Way, whose family hosts another Brookings Blizzard player, right?
Yep.
And Lyndsey, who do you host?
Jack Stang.
Jack. How long has he been staying with you?
He's been staying with us for a year.
Oh, wow. And now he's going to be going home, right?
Yep.
Are you going to miss him?
Yeah.
So tell me, what's it like having one of these guys stay with you in your house? Do you have to share the bathroom?
It's a good experience, and it's like having another big brother, and we do not have to share the bathroom.
Oh, that helps. Well, and it's like having a big brother that doesn't pick on you maybe as much?
Yeah.
Although probably after they get to know you, they tease you as much as your regular brother, right?
Yeah, sometimes.
So do you have fun coming out and watching them play?
Yeah. It's a great experience to come and watch them play.
Now, are you a skater too?
No, I'm not.
Ah, do you have anybody in your family that skates?
Yeah, my brother plays hockey.
Okay.
And
So, do you enjoy watching hockey?
yeah, I do.
Would you rather watch your brother or your Blizzard games?
Probably Blizzard games because they're more interesting.
We won't tell them, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, we appreciate you taking some time with us. Now, if there's another girl out there whose family is thinking about hosting a player, what would you suggest to her? What would you tell her?
I would tell them that it is a great experience to house a Blizzard player, and it's just like having a brother, and it's just a great thing to do, and I really enjoy it. So.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks again for taking some time with us at Hockey 605. Lyndsey, enjoy the rest of your time.
Thank you.